Having trouble opening PDF files on WhatsApp? Here are the key troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue quickly. The first thing that you need to do, if you haven't already, is to click the download option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are having trouble opening PDF files in WhatsApp, there are several potential solutions to explore, but again, it depends on the device that you are using. PDFs can contain critical work documents, reports, or contracts that need to be accessed promptly, like e-tickets, educational materials, or important receipts. If a PDF contains time-sensitive information, resolving issues quickly ensures you stay up to date and informed. For collaborative projects, timely access to shared documents is crucial for effective teamwork. Now, if you are using WhatsApp on web or the desktop application and the PDF is not working, you might want to check some online tools you can work with. I'm going to send a PDF file. That's going to be a document. I'm going to click on it, and this is going to be the PDF file. For example, if you're not able to open it, I need you to go to certain PDF platforms and tools like I Love PDF. This is a tool where you can work with PDFs in one place. You can merge, split, compress, convert PDF to Word, convert PDF to PowerPoint, watermark, sign, rotate, Excel to PDF. There's a lot you can do. All you're going to do is click on the tool you need and you would be able to utilize the platform. You can merge, split, compress, and convert PDFs using all the PDF tools available. Now, if you're using WhatsApp on your mobile device and can't open the PDF file, you might want to go to your mobile device settings. Go to App Management and then App List, and from here type in WhatsApp and click on it. Here, make sure you have enough permissions for camera, contacts, microphone, and especially photos and videos. All right? After that, click on Storage and Cache. Sometimes, if you clear the storage and clear the cache, it could potentially solve the issue, like fixing bugs and glitches. So I want you to clear storage and clear cache. On the user data, you can also delete that, but what will happen is you will be logged out of your account. To do that, you would need to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store later. But for now, also go to Mobile Data and Wi-Fi and make sure you have a strong connection. Next, go to the Google Play Store or the App Store for iPhone and make sure you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger, because outdated versions tend to be buggy and cause glitches. Installing the latest update can potentially fix the problem. All right, and again, if none of the above steps work, I need you to go to the WhatsApp Customer Support Center. From here, provide your phone number you use for WhatsApp or your email address, and then select what platform you are using: Android, iPhone, web and desktop, or other. Enter your message describing the issue below and click on Next Step. One of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the PDF not working on your WhatsApp account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.